Hello, good evening to all. Today, this is my second video. Uh, I have to create daily video because consistency is very important for us, and you can daily practice to spoken English, so you can also improve himself. So also I suggest you all of you. So you have to consistency is most important because consistency means that you have to practice a daily basis. If and also it is important to discipline means you can achieve something, so discipline is most important because you don't have discipline, so you can't achieve anything in life. So I create a solo video and interact with all the peoples through in I also upload the video on YouTube. YouTube is the most important platform to interact with all other and so many people. So also I upload the video and interact with many and many other people. So also I this one spoken English. So I have uh, in mind. I have in mind. So after before 10 years, because and also I have ambition to learn spoken English and improve myself, and also previous 10 years back, I have ambition to learn spoken English, and also I joined the spoken English classes. But as of now, not improve myself, and also because that time had I didn't get any information, and no one guide me, so that's why I didn't and spoken English, and as of now so many grammatical mistakes I did and doing. So means I so many videos of YouTube and podcast. So also I got and in mind, and also finalize and uh, also thought in mind, and so many videos also grammatical mistakes you are doing, and it's nothing, so you can improve ourselves. So it is not important how are you speaking. It is important is that keep how greedy you for ambitions. So and also you have fluent in English. So after that you can correct the grammatical mistake. So and also YouTube platform. So many days I didn't use the YouTube platform. Nowadays, so many videos and so many charisma, so many channels, podcast, charisma ma'am, and all the spoken English classes, all are saying that, and also I think in mind, this is the most beneficiary for me because I learn something, so I have to. I have to learn and practice daily basis. So means it has consistency is most important. So I have improved myself to so I have to create and I have in front I have to speak in front of mirror as well as I also created the consultancy video means daily basis video, and I also upload in YouTube and interact with all other the peoples from YouTube. So it is the best idea for me, and also so many videos. So also I have think in mind and also finalize this is the correct platform, and also this is the best idea. So that's why I choose the creating daily basis video and upload it in YouTube. So uh, how the think how I am thinking, you can also give in comment and also suggest me and also motivate me. I am greedy for ambitions. So thanks all of you, and also suggest me in YouTube and also motivate me. So thanks all. Bye bye.